Okay, everyone, I'm really struggling not to peek and break your eardrums right now, but I'm so freaking excited because my laptop finally sold. So I know this will be my 15th video just talking about arbitrage, but this is exciting stuff. I really wish I got into this a little sooner, but I mean, 14 isn't the worst age to get into, retail. So basically, I sold my computer. Well, okay, I gotta stop doing this. I gotta stop counting my chickens before they hatched, or is that whatever the freaking analogy or whatchamacallit would be for this situation. But I'm pretty confident that I'm about to go sell this laptop. And I'm freaking over the moon, because that means I have about $300 cold hard cash, and then I get to play around with that. So it's hard for me to make deals just with my laptop since not enough people are really interested in trading, especially because it's not the highest quality laptop. Like, by no means is it bad, but it's not some sort of killer gaming PC. So that kind of turns people off. There's no dedicated graphics. Even though the integrated graphics are really underrated, there's no dedicated graphics. So that's also something that turns people off. So it's just been... Oh, buddy. Jesus Christ, you were hitting hard, weren't you? So yeah, it kind of turned people off. But I sold it finally, and now I get to play around with this money. So I talked this guy down from 150 to 90 for this ultra wide gaming monitor. So I'm like, that's hard for me to turn down. So I think I'll drop $90 on that, which leaves me about 120, and with that I could probably get a graphics card, and then I could sell my old graphics card for decent money, and then yeah. So I'm still in the stage of trying to upgrade. Like, I'm not gonna jump the gun and just with the money I invested, well, not really invested, but kind of put into this little arbitrage mission, I'm not gonna take it out immediately and just buy stuff with it quite yet. That's definitely the goal. I definitely still want stuff, but I'm not gonna do it just yet. Oh my god, I almost just jumped off. So yeah, I'm still gonna work to keep building on what I've already started, but I'm definitely going to get some personal benefit out of it also. Oh, this guy's not happy. Man, I got behind him too. That's like the position that you want to be. You want to be like in an awkward angle between them and the bed. I mean, them and the edge. So you could kind of knock them off. Bam. Okay. So yeah, I'm so freaking hyped. This has been some of the best months of my freaking gaming setup's life. Like, it went from being run off of a i3 integrated graphics laptop to a freaking NVIDIA GeForce GTX 950. And I'm going to keep saying GeForce GTX 950 or whatever, just because it makes it sound, a lot more fancy than it actually is. Like I said multiple times, again, like, by no means is it insane, but like I also say a ton, you're seeing it right now, and it's freaking running. It's running. Okay, can we die? Die. Okay. Okay, that was kind of scaring me. Oh, okay, so we wanted to suicide there just to make sure that dude didn't do the same thing that I did to him, and just like kind of juke behind him and go for their bed. Alright, should we build to that guy's island? I'm not too sure. Let's take out 7 here and just get Iron Sword. Iron Swords are like so potent in these types of engagements. Okay, we are recording indeed. And don't hold me to this, since there's a good chance I probably won't do it, but I'm going to try to actually make thumbnails for these videos because I mean, they don't get awful views. Like, for how bad the YouTube algorithm kind of got mad at me for not posting for 2 years, like, these have been some of the more better performing videos on my channel, which is surprising because of the because kind of like the supply and demand crisis that's kind of going on with Minecraft right now. Like there's quite a bit of supply, like it's been for the past decade, but not a bunch of demand. Well, not enough demand to go around. So I'm kind of surprised that I got the amount of views that I am, which is a cool 9. Like a freaking cool 9 though. It's not just like a man I got 9 views. It's like, dang, okay, 9 views, I'll take it. Wait, you're here, dog? I've been shopping in your store for like 5 minutes. White people are down. I repeat, white people are down. Let's go to Agua. Holy seagulls. They didn't make... God damn it. I really didn't need that. Yo, it's the red dude. Yo, it's the freaking guy that still has a bed too. That couldn't suck anymore. That couldn't suck any more than it does. Okay, I guess we get a pickaxe and an axe and cheers. God dang it. Okay, we could still make this happen though. I mean, like, it's just one bed, right? Right. It's just one bed. And then just a true 1v1 with a green dude. I feel like I could do that. Especially because that red guy is like not paying the most attention to his base. He's kind of roaming more than I would in his position. If I was in his position, I would just be chilling. They got my base and just wait for me and the other dude to fight. Okay, let's not breathe in the mic. I'm sorry, I'm just getting so close to my screen. You know, it's kind of the Xbox thing, even though I definitely don't play on Xbox. We just gotta get closer and closer to a TV, the more intense it gets. Got him. Okay. Even playing field. But it's not even because your boy's in the game. Alright, 4 diamonds. That is enough for reinforced armor. Which should be able to munch through someone. Oh no, I checked my chest. I knew I put it in there. Okay. So red dude's doing something similar to what I'm doing. I just have to catch up to him. He's just doing that. And then coming around. Just collecting everything. Get some gapples. Let's get a knockback stick. Then let's go a bit more wool. Let's get another gapple. See, I think I say this too much, but we're sitting pretty. We are recording. Everything's good. We bait him. We bait him into thinking we're not paying attention, then we knockback stick him. Then we knockback stick. Ow, you hurt me so badly. Please don't rush me now. I mean, I think that was pretty good. Okay, that actually kind of hurt, dog. Do it again. Do it again. Let's get some regen. It's game over. I knew it was game. That was game, boy. Hallelujah. Oh, okay. More reinforced armor. Thank you. And then we hit this guy with a filthy 1v1. I gotta stop taking those freaking jumps, man. Those are definitely about to kill me. Okay. Imagine if he fireballs me. Just imagine that. And on that note, let's get some fireballs of our own. Alright, where's my man at? Mid. I'm down for a mid fight. Like a straight up mid 1v1. Like, obviously I'm biased, but I definitely think that favors me. Not only am I freaking Peeve legend, I have fireballs, gapples, diamond sword. If we get to the edge, I get a knockback stick. And now we have diamond armor. Man, these generators keep baiting me. Guts come here. Let's come around here. Let's go to blue base, get diamond armor. Okay. If we see him, we just have to keep an eye on him. Because the worst case scenario right now would be him getting invis. Since you know what happens when someone invises on me. It's a 50-50 chance. He has iron sword. But he just went to a base. Okay, he's base jumping. He's going from base to base to base. Okay, well, let's just keep it out of my hand. Let's keep my fireball out of my hand so he kind of takes a chance at going on the bridge potentially. Sports Center. Okay. Okay. Oh, buddy. This is the final stand. See, I want to fight him like this. Good night. Oh, buddy, the knockback stick. It's the knockback stick. It's all it is. Oh my god, I'll keep you guys updated. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy the thumbnail. If I decide to make one. Okay, I don't know how to type. Well, thank you guys. I'll see you later today or tomorrow. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.